Hello, welcome into Deb's Kitchen. Today I'm super excited because we just learned that we finally reached 10,000 subscribers, or a little more than that. And this is all in less than over, I would say, maybe a year, a little less or a little over. But it's all thanks to you for all your generous comments and subscribing to our channel. And so we just wanted to give you a little shout out, and also I wanted to say that we are super excited that we're going to be reposting the video that got us the ball rolling, and that is our 20-minute Mexican rice video. We're going to be updating it because it was one of my first videos I ever made. So we noticed that we have a lot of comments on some of the specifics, measurements and so forth. So look for that to come soon. And if you haven't noticed, I have a newly remodeled kitchen, and that was all because I started cooking at the request of friends and family, and people were always asking me, how do you make this? How do you make that? And people were always telling me, you should have a cooking channel, and you should cater, and you should open your own restaurant. But I cook because I love to cook. I love to cook for my family, friends. Cooking is my passion, it's a hobby, and I don't want it to become a chore. And so I just decided to start cooking at the encouragement of my son. He kept saying, Mom, let's do a YouTube channel. That way you won't have to be giving everybody your recipes all the time. They can just go on your channel. So we decided to give it a shot. And this kitchen is a result, because if you look at our earlier videos, you're going to see me in my 30-year-old kitchen. From my husband built this house for us, and the kitchen was old. So now that we're making our videos, we have a new kitchen. We're super excited. So we want you to comment and tell us some of the recipes that you want to see us cook here. Because I'm a creative cook. I'm not a trained chef. I'm a creative cook. And if you tell me you want to see something from your childhood or whatever, put it in the comments, and you might see your recipe on my YouTube channel.
We're still waiting for the stove though too. Like if you have noticed, my mom talked about in previous videos, there's that gap there. You want to say something about that? How we've been waiting for over a year for your...
Yes. We initially had a stove here, our 48-inch Viking stove, but they sent us the wrong one. I wanted a dual fuel with gas cooktop, electric convection oven, and they sent us all electric. So we have sent it back, and now we wait. So in case you're wondering about this big gap, we hope to have that cleared up, filled in, not cleared out, filled in soon. So don't forget, keep subscribing, like it, share it, and we hope to bring you some exciting appetizers in the near future and for the Super Bowl. So if you don't already subscribe to or go follow me on Facebook, I also have a test kitchen that I live stream, and that's where I test my recipes out. And I go on anytime randomly, bloopers and all. So I'm going to be trying out some Super Bowl appetizers this week. So tune in Deb's Kitchen on my Facebook channel.